Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix vitamin E capsules in coconut oil. This powerful combination offers numerous benefits for your skin. Together, they provide deep hydration, helping to achieve a soft and smooth texture. This blend also works to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, while soothing skin irritation and redness. The antioxidants present protect your skin from daily environmental stressors, promoting a healthy, radiant glow. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items. First, grab 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules, usually 400 milligrams each. Next, measure out 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil. Ensure you have a small, clean bowl and a spoon for easy mixing. Finally, a sharp pin or needle will be essential for carefully puncturing the vitamin E capsules to extract their oil. Now let's get to the mixing. If your coconut oil is solid, gently warm it until it turns into a liquid state. Then, carefully puncture 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules using your pin and squeeze all the oil into your clean bowl. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the liquid coconut oil to the vitamin E oil. Stir these ingredients together thoroughly with your spoon until they are completely combined, creating a smooth blend. For application, take a small amount of your freshly mixed oil and gently massage it onto clean skin using circular motions. For optimal benefits, apply this blend once or twice a week, ideally before bed, allowing it to work overnight. Store any remaining mixture in an airtight, dark container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. While it can last for several weeks, using a fresh batch is often recommended for maximum potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.